Maybe that was my network. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yes, sir. So that was it. How everything went over the week. And then any small mistake can lead to something for you. You have to be very careful. So that's why we had a thing. It's not just two losses, and then about the rest for the week we smash it
Sir,
up.
the voice is still breaking. Like
You breaking?
yeah, you just go silent for a while, like maybe 2 seconds before the voice starts coming back. I don't
Wow,
know.
that must be my network, oh, because I can vividly hear you from here.
Yeah.
Is it okay or I don't know? How is it now? Still
Just
same?
continue talking. I'll
Oh,
tell you if it happens again.
okay, okay. I don't know. That must have been my network. I don't know. So that's it, Jared. You just have to be very careful when you're analyzing the market. Every single tiny stuff can cost you a lot. So I knew it. I saw it. I didn't know I missed it. So that's one thing to improve the market. Know your mistake. Know why you went. Why the market went from against you. If you don't know, we are still in a great mess. So, but we know why the market went from against you. Then you conquer it. It means you're not a victim. Never. You're not a victim. I never a victim. But years of those days, I don't know why market goes against. This market. But anytime market, I know why it causes me. I want to look at it. This simple stuff. I did this. Oh my God. That is all it. First, you have to everything, every simple crook, everything must pay attention to. Otherwise, now when they use the play,
Wow.
it's crazy, man.
I, I actually tried something out during the week.
Okay,
I traded on the trend line that you taught me, sir, and
okay.
it went right,
Yeah,
at least
it should definitely do.
on
But
my demo account, not on my real account, though.
yes, so yeah,
Yeah,
don't try it on it yet. Yes, so yes. Don't try it on it. Will definitely work. It
on
means
my
that
demo account.
that price is still expecting that line. It's like a line is following. So it means if it's
Hmm.
sometimes it goes
Yeah, I
against.
actually tried it,
Yeah, it should
and I
definitely.
went there like $28.
Yeah, it should definitely do. Yeah, it should definitely do. It should definitely do. Yeah, it is definitely do. Anyway, welcome back again. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and good to have us again over the weekend for another session, a private session today. We hope we're going to touch in some things and learn something new today as well. So far, so good. We've been able to move from fundamental psychology. Now we are on TA, technical analysis, and then we have dealt with cycle levels. That was the simplest of all, which we just cited how you can rolling your cycle levels by 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50 pips, because that is what big people looked into. If you want to buy anything in the market, you don't go to the market and say, I want to buy a car, much is 12 million. You don't tell them, I want to buy it as 1,122 naira, 200 and $222, 100.1 the dollar. No, you always want to buy it at a random number, at a random figure. So those stops also affect and reflect in the market, and that is how we look into it. That is the would I say that is the ideology behind it. Yeah, the ideology, so we can easily understood as the ideology behind it. So the last one, most times, even most times, those cycle levels align with your zones, and the market mostly moves from zones to zones, zones to zones. So that's why I like that cycle. Cycle is a crazy one.
Your voice is switching a bit now. It's doing the
Hey,
same thing all over again now.
okay.
This network.
She will end this and you start again. What?
No, just continue, sir. I think it's my network. I'm having like two bars now.
Okay. Yeah, maybe network. Yeah, it's okay. So that is it. So let me share my screen. So those are the stuff that happens mostly in the market. Let me share my screen. So cycle levels, we're going to understood that because we understood the fact that cycle levels will always market will always come from that zone to zones. And thank God, that's not a problem for us. These are sack levels. These are sack levels. Good. Trend line.
50 pips.
Yeah, 50 pips and 50 pips. That's it. So trend line.
But on the 4 hours time frame,
Yes.
I will just see the 50 pips. Like I won't need to calculate it or what's that?
No, just you can plot it anywhere. You can plot it from 4 hours, you can plot it for 1 hour, just do your 50 pips, everything like that. It will reflect in all the time frame. It will reflect there. The way it is like 4 hours now, if you come to daily, one daily it will be more smaller because of the gap. It means 4 hours. It means 4 hours. It comes to 1 hour. It's more bigger. Come to 30 minutes, more bigger. Come to 30 minutes, that's what it be now. It be like you get. So it be like trying to you're entering to video some content and you're not going far from the sky. So the more far you go, the more it will be more smaller. So it be now. You get. Do you get? Yeah, that's right. So anyway you plot it will always be there.
Okay.
So I want us to talk about trend line and then break out and trend line. And this is what happened. Can you see what happened here? And this from here. Market was coming here, coming down. Let me show you. To show that it was a sell market, we were right, but the news proved us wrong. That's market for you. Can you see this place now? Expecting that trend line. Second touch.
Okay.
Touch. And the fourth, boom. Most times when markets will change, it changes on what? On the fourth time. The best time to trade a trend line is what? The third time. I repeat. Okay. Once you are drawing a trend line, you are not improving in the we are beginning on that new trend line. Once you are drawing a trend line, always watch the touch. Sometimes fourth will still expect it to. That's why I say nothing is certain. Nothing is certain. Sometimes it's still expected fourth and the fifth time we move. But most times that we have studied, we forex traders, we analysts, we financial people, persons, where we have studied the market is that the fourth times anything that does it touches on fourth times in the market mostly what breaks out. See now, first, second, third, and the fourth break out forcefully. Broke out forcefully with a force. Another time it might be the fifth too, but most times we watch it. Fourth time breaks out a lot. If I have noticed that I would have sent that stuff in, and I should be waiting for the confirmation. If I waited for confirmation, we wouldn't have lost. We just had a straight up wins for the week. We wouldn't have risen 2 trade or so after the 17th trade. So that is it, guys. So any fourth touch of anything, you have to be more careful because of what it. Can you see how it's coming? Lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. And it has to come. I was thinking to come here, mass, come to this trend and again and still sell. For us, I forgot. I didn't even check that it was the fourth bounce. If I've seen it was fourth bounce, I would have chilled. Fourth bounce. Something might happen with that fourth bounce. It might either break or touch it. I would have just chilled on that signal we sent. Or else I've got to opt out first. Or VIP should be more protected. VIP should opt out in that little profit. They should opt out and let's see the result of this stuff I would have said. But because we see NFP came out positive again, I was thinking to push it. Perhaps it pushed, but didn't go far. It didn't go far more than this trend line. It was pushing. Let me show you. It was pushing, but it didn't go far. It didn't go far. Let me show you. It didn't go far. It pushed, it went back. It pushed, it went back. It pushed, it went back. It was the push of the news. You know, started from here, started pushing, came here. This is the news. Started pushing, came back, until the third one came out. This from year to year, we are from around 1:30 to 3 o'clock. When this 3 o'clock like this one came, whoosh. I said again, push. Push started going again. Hey, unstable network. It's not network. Hope you can hear me. Started going again, so that's why we lost.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you, sir.
That's why we lost that. So it was so simple. That's why we lost that. It was negligence. Total negligence. And then and because of if the first news has came out negative, I would have known that this thing will break. We just opt out fast. But the first thing came out positive, so I think at least to break it up, it will break that. But unfortunately, NF is very powerful. Unfortunately, NF the powerful NF didn't do.
But sir, the buying trend line is still valid.
Which one?
The buying trend line is still valid.
Sure. Very well. Yeah, that's it. Very well. Very strong. It just came out. In fact, it just break out. Anybody, anytime market just break out from a massive trend line, the next thing you should be looking at is the opposite. We break out from a buy. If you're looking for a sell, break out from a sell, you look for a buy. So you break out from a sell. So that's why I was looking for a buy. It touches here one, here two. The third one, the third buying is the best buy because it will surely go. This market is still going on. When we enter the market on Monday, we send another buy because once it comes down again, it's gonna buy. We must take away this one or come and equal it here. Then it comes to equal this one here, cycle level. This is a cycle level. Market moves in levels, cycle level to cycle level.
Okay. That's the usefulness of cycle level.
Exactly. It's moving
Yeah.
cycle levels. You look at it very well. Can you see cycle level, cycle level? It's always moving cycle levels. Cycle level, cycle level. It's always moving cycle. It may not surpass it a bit, but it's always moving that 50 pips. Cycle level, cycle level. So I'm expecting market to what to do me. Market to what to do me. The market to do me a comeback here for this a bit. Now, I've taken my profit already because I don't like just holding myself. I've taken profit already on this market. If you come back a bit down, I will enter again. My stop loss, push, enter again, my stop loss. Then it will go. You
will set, sir. Sorry, sir. You will set your stop loss on the other cycle level, right?
Yes. This miss. Is that this place?
Okay.
My stop loss here. So I will buy. So it shall come here or surpass it and come here. No matter what. And if it comes here, it shows it's still a continuation of a buy. If it comes here and shows a double top, then something is going on. It will say. Because double top.
The cycle level stands like a support and resistance.
Also,
if it breaks it.
Exactly. It's also stands. It's not for many things. Support resistance, the zones at which market moves in levels. So it is. Yeah. As well as trend line to serve as support resistance in a vertical way. Same thing. This one too stands for resistance in a horizontal way. Yeah. So simple. So it's you expect to come here. As it comes here, I see the reaction of it here. I come to my 15-minute time frame. I see a small that is showing they want to reverse because a reversal pattern must show if market wants to reverse. Market will never reverse if he hasn't given you M pattern. M pattern means sell. The B pattern means buy. Write it down.
M pattern means
sell. It must show you M pattern. The B pattern means buy. It must show you M. We will get there.
What pattern means buy? Sorry, sir.
W pattern. That is double top, double bottom. W pattern is means buy. M pattern means sell. I will get there. I'm just keeping those.
Okay, sir.
Get there. Change of structure. We'll get there. When market, anytime I want to change structure from a sell to buy, it must do that thing. If it doesn't do it, don't enter the market. It must do. I will tell you 3 things market must do to change in the structure. 2 or 3 things it must do to show the market. I saw yesterday they didn't do the full W pattern, but I knew what it did, so I already knew because I've been familiar with the market. I'm friend with the chart. So we are parties. I'll start so I knew it's time to. So that's why it was crazy sniper yesterday. Crazy sniper. The answer was crazy. Fucking sniper. Crazy one. So that is it. So this I want us to talk about trend line today again and breakout and fake out. Now, if this trend line that break out here now, can you see now from here? The way it was coming down, if it came down to, if it comes down rather inside this place again, and it stop here, then we touch this one, then it a fake out. That's what you can say. Am I talking, guys? It's a fake out. This one that's coming out, this third bounce must come here or take away this one and come here to show that it's not a fake out. It's now a valid confirmation for buy. It's a like this that this trend is now something for buy. Because this one that you fake out now, it's still a retest though. This one I can is not a retest though. So this retesting, if you retest inside, this our major one comes here. That's what it's called fake out. So all these ones like this, they are fake out. No matter what you may call it, they are all fake out. That is the bit of the news. That's what it's called fake out. So if you come inside, it's a fake out. Now, the market is expected to expect this line and not come inside to show that, oh, I'm not a fake out. Oh, I'm not the one selling. No, Oga. Buyers don't take over. I got the buy now. I they buy. So you must expect this line that is here now and still continue. Then go. Then go. Come here or come here. Certain. That week, you should be looking for more buy. That is, it has shown to us that it's a better direction. Now, let's go down that one. Also, that's what we call fake out. Now, if you are just explaining 2 things now,
okay, sir.
Line fake out and trend line break out. Now, a market that breaks, it breaks the trend line here and it come to this next cycle levels. That is what normal breakout. Now, So now wait for it.
Yeah.
If it now we test inside it again, that's what we call fake out. Two things you have to know. Market breaks it, your trend line is called break out. If you come back to a test and go again, finally, then the theory will be breakout, confirmation, certain, valid.
Okay.
Nothing like this thing again. But once the breakout, bam, and see come back with test and begin to come inside it again, that we will say breakout invalid. Then that's what we now call it fake out. That it was just a fake out because it's still coming down to come and say. Let me show you something else.
Because it has passed it. Yeah, I get it.
Let me show you something else again. So I have to show a breakout market. And see that. That's what I want to do today. And I want you to see perfect your trend line very well. You are improving on them.
Yeah.
So the more you
Okay,
do,
sir.
the more you perfect it very well. I want to see perfect your trend line very well. To perfect your trend line drawing very well. You can see my trend line. To perfect it very well. Okay, it's not on group. It should be on GDP USD. That breakout should be on GDP USD. I'll see this one now. Can you see now? Touch this one. Can you see? Let me show you what I just taught you now. About the fourth one, I just taught you. One, can you see? See what I'm talking? I was telling to you. I was telling you that this your line should go extend. You put your own here or at the edge here. Let it go extend it. Can you see? Let it go extend. Let it that it's extended. Let it that it's extended. This one, sir, I do it self from weekly self because I could still see something down. Can you see now? Can you see? The list of, can you see now? Let me see my screen. That's how to know that your system of the value. Can you see? This is the list. Can you see now? This is the highest bottom. Can you see? It's even more than this one. Can you see? Can you see? So I do it. I see that there's even a list safe at the bottom. So I didn't stop here. I didn't stop here or do small. I did from the list to be valid because that is shows the if I'm seeing something like this and it's more touching, then it's valid. I know that this one is crazily valid. So I did from the list bottom. Good. So from the bottom it comes and touches 1, 2, and then 3. What happened to the fourth one, guys? What happened to the fourth one?
Direction.
Thank you very much. Remember what I said earlier today, in the class, that the fourth one will always want to change a movement. We always want to change a movement. 1, 2, and the fourth one was this. It breaks out. It breaks out. It breaks out. It breaks out. Now, once the market breaks out, once the market breaks out, it will always retest. Once there is know that once market moves in two ways: impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction. You understand these waves? Do you know this?
No, sir.
Don't worship. We'll get there. Let's talk about movement of the market. We'll get to market structure. Talk about that. I'm going too far. I'm going to rush. Yeah, I really want us to be understand. You take it step by step and understand what you're doing. I don't want to do anything still rushing, you will just be confused. So let's just go with our. So can you see now the fourth time it will retest? Fine. It will retest and then go. It's always happening. So you take note when you're doing a trend line. So that means you always take note. If you see that it's touching the fourth, watch, calm down and watch. Calm down and so it breaks and retest, then it goes. This one too that is now going and say now, see now after I got here too, it still break inside again. Can you see now? Can you see market? It didn't even go far. Can you see? Can you see market now? It still go. So it's not selling from here again. It still come inside again. And you get so that is crazy. Come inside, it's come to do another buy. Can you see it too and still come inside the come do another? You do what you did. That is crazy. So let's open it on the 4 hour and see it more clearer. So can you see now, after a massive buy there, it broke in here, we tested and they started selling. Started selling here. People who want to sell here now will lose market. This kind of market is not that you are wrong. It's just the market. This is news, editing. This is news. You know that you are wrong. I think that was what happened safe on that Wednesday. We are wrong. Your hair, yeah, it was this thing. No, because what it was already selling market. Well, this and it's touching this market, it's touching this line. Let's look at how many times it touches this one now. We've analyzed this one. No, how many times it touches this before you break. Let's look at how many times it touches this one. This is the one. Let's count it. But we see that it's 3 times the fourth, 2, 3. Can you see now? I fucked up. I just hit this in. That's simple thing. I'm teaching you now. I didn't see it. Can you imagine? That's why I lost. That's why we lost that. Can you see that the fourth? If I know that, oh, this is the fourth touch, we'll just come. Or even by itself. Because there's a zone here. I put it down there. Can you see now? Any small thing like this, if you don't see it on market, no more, it don't jump so. It's crazy. Like this. You have to be seeing everything. You have to be calm down and look at everything. Am I right? If I scrutinize everything, but go see. Now your money, I need that stake. Once you are wrong, you are wrong. And I go always, you are wrong. Your money, I need that stake. If you don't see like this, don't see, because, and then market is crazy. The funny thing is that within 1 second, it can go on the piece. Boom! Your 1K does can journal within 1 second. I said, coach, I just want to check my cook, open the pot, and they came back and that is it for you. The guys were like, what the fuck? You couldn't imagine it. You know, that kind of stuff is crazy. It's that's how it is. So I didn't see that. I didn't even see that it was the fault. So in time we have confirmed with 3 things now. Most time the fault will always what? Always break. Now, this one now, I'll be careful now. Because we have learned a lesson. See the first one, see the second one. The third one, I didn't even so we took the third one yesterday or Friday, and we are buying it. But this is which is our 3. This one should still buy to this.
Sorry, sir. Where's the third one? I can only see 2 here.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3. It to pass it in your fake out. It just sometimes go GBS used to move more than the trend line. You love fake out a lot. After it, you love fake out a lot because I think he has a powerful movement as well. If you don't want to trade gold, come and trade GDP USD. It's a very movement. It moves well as well because of the Britain. This is stronger. That's why. Now Britain is stronger than USD. Britain's their currency. Their currency against Naira is like 2K plus now, and USD and then dollar is like 1.5. So it's stronger. So they always, most times I've studied there, you always more than you always fake out a lot. So it's to go. So just a fake out, you see, just a fake out. I will tell you what this candle means. This candle, this 1, 2, 3 means. I don't know what yours. The time will come, we'll talk about that. This candle stuff. It means
Okay.
It means a correction candle. It's usually faster. This 3 thing, you see like this. So if the market still come down a bit here, I'll buy again. I'll send it by Monday. We'll still buy because it still come down to something here before you can do it. So now that one I thought of this that the fourth one break out, and I didn't even see it. I didn't take it at all. Can you see that? I'm not teaching you yet. Can you see? I think that you will know when you go to the market. That is it. You know, technology. You lost 4th time. In the bounce for the 4th time. Why I can't they? Oh my! I don't see them. Whereas people know that it's not as if you went wrong. Just small thing, see now. And you can't be just human being sometimes. It can be due to situation, due to distraction, due to engagement with some things, due to some things, or while you are driving, your mind is, you could be driving to different things, and you don't just see it. People don't understand. You are wrong. I ask you, what went wrong? You know yourself, what went wrong? Just see what you understand, So that is just it, guys. So now we have to be careful. 1, to touch it. 2, to touch it. Now 3, that's the best way to always buy this market. And confirmation way is 3rd way. The 3rd way, see, the 3rd, that's why we put it here now. The 3rd way, we bought, it will still come. It's still coming. Either it comes here or it stops around here. If once it comes here and take away this one, it shows a continuation of a buy. That's what I just said earlier. Good. So that is it. So anytime I'm seeing that it's coming back again to this trend line on the 4th time, I'll be more careful. I'll be looking out for breakout here. Can you see now? So,
Yes,
you want to make that mistake again because probably 4th is always a break. Most times sometimes doesn't do. You know that I told you anything that has a law in it. You say you don't get permanent law. Don't let anybody bamboozle you. Hey, use your average, 10, 20 average. Average, when blue is ready to red, your red is blue, your green is yellow. Sell. When you're it's good, we know it's bad. Yes, you are right. It's fine. But something can overrule it anytime in the market. Market is crazy. Anything can come and overrule it. It's crazy. You don't stick to one thing. Imagine what I told you the other time about what we do about fundamental. Come on, I've said I will say it in class today. See now, fundamental. Is it this week? Oh, it was last week. See, is it this week? I think is it this week or last week? See this baby. Is it this week or last week? Oh, see this baby now. This baby, where I tell you, he moved. Moved. I swear to God, I'm telling you, I said it. So I observed it for 3 good times. He didn't move. He moved. I don't know what moved it. This thing, no, we have found on the card. What's going on now? We need to wind up now. We moved. We have found on the card. We need to solve this thing. On the card now. Why is people not activating this thing for us? So he moved. He moved. He actually moved. So as I said, no, anything you are being told, anything you are being told in the market, you should always know that no certainty. Though there maybe I've shown some proving over the years or over the months that this thing is going on, but yet we can never stay hold on to it because this is crazy. This is a crazy one. This is a crazy business. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. So it's crazy. So I said I'll tell you. So you last year you won't have that notion that it moves. I was sure it doesn't really happen. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. So it may not become tomorrow again and still go back to his normal default state. You see, but that one has moved, because that's how it is. So there's nothing that is super certain. Nothing is super certain. It will always, a time can come, anything can happen. So that is how. So 4 times you should know that you break. So you should be waking up and doesn't break, fine. You still go with it. Good. So now I want us to I still want to go and learn about breakout.
Sir.
If you do this one, we'll do another class. Just take a short break.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm with you.
How can I get the videos to this class so that I won't be disturbing like us? If I will watch it now, make a mistake, I'll go back to the video.
Okay. Yeah. This is what I will do. Remind me again. So I'll work with Favor and then she will enlist all those stuff. She will enlist it on the PlayStation for you so you can be watching. We'll enlist them soon on YouTube. So you can be watching.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That would be cool.
Tell Favor that I said that so that she can remind me herself so we can what to get.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can have
Okay, sir.
So after the class, we should have another one in the next 15 minutes. So this should be for trend line and breakout. I hope you understood.
Okay, sir. But the network is skipping. Like I'm not hearing you clearly.
I said after the class, we should have another one shortly after this one because I need to take a break. But this is just a class for trend line, breakout, and retest. Breakout, and breakout. So I hope you understand.
15 minutes break.
It could be any yes now. Go and you want to market breakout 15 minutes. It's reflect also in another time frame. So you need to go and perfect all your time. So your trend line as well and note the breakout happens and those stuff that always happens. 4th time it always happens when the breakout most times. Sometimes it may still expect it and still go. We have seen in a series of experiences have told us that sometimes market can even touch it 5 times and keep touching it until you cease and break. It doesn't validate that all the time. So anybody should not give you a permanent say about it. It's a crazy market. It's a crazy business. So even though it might have been happening for 10 years, the 11th year can come and to violate it. This is fine. So like, 10 years? This is fine. Violate it for you. So that is exactly what we're talking here. So you should always put your mind open that something can still always happen, can still always change, but yet we are holding on to our rules and our concepts. So that is why it is. So that is how it works. That is it. That is exactly how it works. So you should not always to mind it. We have to shut this class now and then come in for another class. So this is about 10-9 fake out and breakout. So
okay, sir.
Okay, sir. The last example now. Let me show you the last example for today. Now let's see this one now. What is going on? First touch, more of like second touch, third touch, See the first touch, it don't break out. Let's check it very well for trade because see it don't break out. See it don't break out. See it break out. It break out, but it don't fall. This one, thank God, this is what I was saying. This breakout was called fake out. Can you see breakout now? Like break out, it didn't go, it didn't continue again. It come back inside it. It means what? Fake out.
And this one still break the other cycle level. So that means it's still a buy market.
Exactly, still valid. After it break out, it come inside it. It come inside again, boy. After it come inside, see this one we are doing here from up now. It still expected it. As a friend, it's also fucking good. I love it so much. You know, because it's.
But what about the sound, the small cell?
Which one?
Although it's very weak, the small cell.
Yeah, this one.
This
is just a candle pattern. Just a candle pattern. You will see the reaction in the lower time frame. So it came back inside again. This thing over here is called fake out. That's an example of a perfect fake out. It happens on what? Fourth and the fourth touch. The fourth touch. So because I'm saying it happens on fourth doesn't mean all the time. It should keep going on the fourth. Crazy. It's crazy. Crazy. Nothing. Nothing happens. It's crazy. So
nothing is assured.
Not exactly. Nothing is assured. Nothing is certain. Nothing is fucking certain. So something can always happen. So that is exactly how it works. Nothing is assured. Nothing is fucking assured. It's crazy. It's a crazy market. So can you see? And it came back here and it still rejected it and all. So tonight is one of the best way to plot your to analyze the market because it will keep guiding you more like a guide. So it's more like a support and resistance as well. So guiding you on the first year. Yeah, it is. So I want to believe this one is well understood and we are good on this. A short break now, then we go into another topic entirely. Around 10 line again.
Okay, sir.
Around 10 line again. Thank you so much, guys. Let's have a short break, then we come back again for another session very quickly. Oh, Wale, you have joined us. When did you join? Hello? When did you? I didn't see. When did you join us? Did you understand what we were talking at all? Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I joined late, so
Hey,
I just.
wow. I've been calling, but I'm not going. Anyway, we're having another one very soon. So try to join, please, very soon.
Which time?
Let me say by 10. By 10.
Hello.
By 10. Yeah, by 10.
Okay.
Class by 10. Yeah.
No problem. No problem.
Awesome.